jumping so high, swimming through the waves under the sky. See the little fish wiggling with glee, hiding in the coral under the sea. Here comes the crab, sideways he goes, clicking his claws on the sandy floors. The big blue whale splashes with might, blowing water high, what a joyful sight. The sea turtle glides slow and serene in the deep blue ocean, so calm and green. Octopus waves with all 8 arms, hiding in the rocks, using its charms. The starfish shines on the ocean floor, twinkling so bright, let's count one more. Jellyfish floats, soft as a cloud, dancing with the current, graceful and proud. Seahorses sway, tiny and sweet, clinging to seaweed with tails that meet. Sharks swim by, strong and fast, gliding through waters they zoom past. The penguins dive, splash in the cold, sliding on ice, so brave and bold. Clownfish peek in their anemone home, playing hide and seek wherever they roam. The stingray glides like a flying kite, moving so gently under sunlight. Sea lions bark, leaping with cheer, rolling in the waves, bringing us near.